ऑल इंडिया मजलिस इत्तेहादुल मुस्लिमीन AIMIM के सदर असदुद्दीन ओवैसी ने मंगल के रोज़ 5 रियासतों के असम्बली इंतखाबात के नताइज पर रद्द-ए-अमल ज़ाहिर करते हुए कहा कि ये नताइज अवाम की ख्वाहिशात की अक्कासी करते हैं और उनका एहतराम किया जाना चाहिए। अपने इब्तिदाई रद्द-ए-अमल में ओवैसी ने कहा कि जमहूरी फैसलों को आजिज़ी और जिम्मेदारी के साथ कबूल करना चाहिए। उन्होंने कहा कि उनकी पार्टी मगरबी बंगाल में अपनी कारकर्दगी का तफसीली जायजा लेगी और तंजीमी ढांचे को मजबूत बनाने पर तवज्जो देगी। अवामी राबते की ज़रूरत पर जोर देते हुए उन्होंने कहा कि AIMIM वोटरों से मुसलसल जुड़ी रहेगी और रियासत में अपने असर और रसूख को बढ़ाने के लिए काम करेगी।
First of all, I would like to thank the electorate of West Bengal for having casted their precious vote in favor of AIMIM 11 candidates. Unfortunately, our candidates could not win the election, but I am thankful to them for exercising their role, and especially in Kandi, we have done very well. Our candidate Mujibul Islam has got a good number of votes, and hopefully not from Kandi but from whole Malda, Murshidabad onwards, I see a bright future for AIMIM party, and we'll be working more hard and rectifying our mistakes and whatever weaknesses have been there, but I am thankful. The people of West Bengal have given power to the BJP. We have to respect that decision. It is the people's decision. Thirdly, I am of the opinion that I have been consistently saying that these so-called secular parties will not be able to stop BJP. And we have seen in the past, in Delhi, Mr. Kejriwal tried to play footsie with Hindutva. The same was done in Maharashtra by Mr. Uddhav Thackeray's party, and also to a certain extent this soft Hindutva was also played by the erstwhile NCP. We have seen the same behavior in West Bengal by Mamata Banerjee, TMC. What the net result is that in Delhi you don't have the Aam Aadmi Party in power, despite adopting a real Hindutva. They have lost elections over there. Mamata Banerjee did the same thing, and also we have seen that she has been in power for the last 15 years. And if you go to Malda, Murshidabad, or even if you happen to read the government documents, this clearly shows that the most marginalized community in Bengal are the Muslims. And if you see their socio-economic indicators, it clearly shows the marginalization. And if you go to Malda, Murshidabad, you see how in a pathetic condition the Muslim, especially Muslim women are living. They live in abject poverty over there. So this whole creation of Mamata Banerjee as a very liberal, secular leader is not to be seen in West Bengal.